Who wants to do the clap?
Your business.
Do the what?
All right.
The clap. Thanks.
Welcome to Two Beers and a Podcast with Brad and Mike, two marketing guys with a love of great craft beer and the stories that go with them. I'm Brad Fruhoff, the word guy.
And I'm Mike Rattay, the visual guy. And this show is all about the experience of beer, from the label to the glass, from the brew house to the bar. Each week we feature two beers that we feel have something to say or that we think worth saying something about.
And this week we're on the warehouse floor at ProBrew in New Berlin, Wisconsin, talking to their president, Derek Deubel, and marketing coordinator, Roxanne Gorham. Thanks, guys, for being here.
Thanks for being here as well.
It's our first time talking to a manufacturer, so somebody on the side of enabling brewers to do what they do, so this will be interesting. So let's start by cracking a beer open and talking about that. And
Cool.
get in. So yeah, what are we going to
Do
start
you mind
with
if I start with this? It's a Rohrbach from Rochester, New York, Blueberry Ale. I think we're just coming after breakfast time, so I'm sticking with the blueberry theme.
This is a
Muffin and blueberry ale.
early recording time for us too.
Yeah, let me help you out here a little